go.
Let's go see the manatee now.
The manatees right there. Oh, the barracuda? Well, I would have watched the manatee.
Looks like she's heading for the beach.
Dude, there's a manatee. It's got its head out.
I got a fishing pole. I can get that.
There's a manatee. It's got its head out.
Gavin, let's talk about this, okay?
Oh, it's got its head. Oh, cute manatee. Daddy, there's a manatee.
Alright, this is the last day that we're going to be out in the Keys. Joy, how have you had lots of fun? Really? Seriously? Did you enjoy yourself? Silly kid. Sam, did you enjoy yourself?
I think so.
You think so? You're not sure?
I enjoyed myself until bedtime each time.
Okay.
That is, whenever Papa and Nana wasn't there.
Okay.
And before Papa and Nana came.
Did you have lots of fun, Evan?
They put this leather down. Take the leather down. They put the leather down.
Really?
Put the leather down.
So, this is our last night in the Keys. We're at Key Largo at Hampton Inn. And so far today, we have seen manatees. We've seen little barracuda. We've seen 2 of them. And got some pretty good close-up pictures. 2 barracudas.
2 barracudas. I only saw a baby barracuda.
Yeah, we...
You were right.
But we've had lots of fun. I think Faith's had fun.
I've never seen an adult.
Have you had fun, babe?
Of course, give a good picture of one.
What's your favorite part
You seen a baby one.
of everything?
My favorite part of everything was snorkeling in the ocean.
I said, put
Was
the
really my
leather down.
favorite. But the coolest thing that happened was yesterday at Hampton State Park, seeing a barracuda about 5 feet away from me.
Sam and I are rowing away here. Our Faith's right behind us. Sam's got us up going right now. Come on, Sam. That's good. I'm gonna have to help. There we go. That'll help. There, where? Trying to video while having to help Sam a little. It doesn't help that he's fighting the current a little bit. The current wants to keep on putting us right into the trees. We just kind of have to adjust it the way it's going. Here we are, heading on to gates A and B. Now I gotta go back down. Alright, following faith. Sam, Joy.
Welcome to Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International Airport. I'm Broward County Mayor William Furr.
Level 2.
It's just easier to take the elevator because we got so much stuff.
Placing Dr.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, then please press the like button.
And if you like what you've been watching, please hit the subscribe button.
To see our latest video, click on the link to the right.
Thank you again. Later.